Yeah man, hello family. We back again, part 3 of the Jamaican Sunday dinner. For them, I sweaty up in the family because yeah, the kitchen are run bad. But here, so I kind of do off one of my casserole and I have a few more pieces of chicken. So I tell you, if you don't like the part of the chicken here, please comment. That we call it like the backbone. I love this part. So if you love it, comment. So we are do the final dip them. For with chicken and we have excess gravy if anything, because some people love lots of gravy. So we are dip off with chicken them. In our baked chicken gravy. And we have an oven there over there being preheated. Yeah. And give them a shot right over there. We have the water here getting all up for macaroni. I'm going to show you how we do for our little cheap ass macaroni thing. We have a rice and peas over there upon simmer. I'm so sure no eat. You see? So we are finished up the chicken here. We are finishing up these 2 casseroles of chicken. And we're going to put these 2 bad boys right in the oven. Right? So we're going right in now. And we are going we have it at 200 degrees Celsius. And we are put it at the bottom rack. Yeah? We have a 2 casserole of chicken in there. And them are going in and going do them thing. And we're not covering them at all because we want pretty color. Yeah. Right over here. Wow. We're going to have a rice and peas spot. We have another 2 teeth fork over here. And the first thing we're going to do is eliminate them herbs here where we use. Or if you want, these are herbs. So we're going to eliminate them. And we're going to say we're going for the rice and peas inside here. When the rice and peas is finished, you know, all these will just come to the top. I know y'all, if you never have the rice and peas yet, that's how it goes. It will come to the top. You see it curdle and nice, the coconut milk. So we are trying to get out these. So you shake them off. Look out for your pepper too. Because we put a whole of pepper in there for flavor. So you make sure. So a piece of ginger right out. Don't do like what I do, you know, use your fork, be careful. Please don't put your hand in the pot like where Debbie down her yard do. She's a vet, so she can't do anything. So we get out most of them. So watch us now. We're going to lift from the bottom up. And as you go, you might find peas. Yeah? So you stir. You lift the rice and peas from the bottom of the pot with your fork, not with spoon. Up and over. And as you go along, any excess herbs like the scallion and something, you try to take it out. See another piece here? Right? So, from the bottom, up. From the bottom, up. That is how you turn over your rice and peas. The bottom, up. And as you go along, you just scatter it out with your thing. Yeah, man. From the bottom, up. And you scatter it out. And we want taste here, so now. Don't watch me, but don't follow me, you know. Please use your spoon and cool, because I can do just about anything. Been doing this for decades. Yeah. Rice and peas ready. Nice coconut, rich coconut milk. It tastes a little sweetness, and the butter there to enhance it. And yo, rice and peas ready. Ready for the road. So as you stir and you find your little herbs, you pick them out. So rice and peas ready. So that is the first thing. Ready. Alright? Now we have a little water over here so for macaroni. And we are going to empty them 3 pack of little cheap backside macaroni in this thing. Because look here, to do a macaroni and cheese pie in Jamaica, it's really costly. So we sometimes we do it, you know, but sometimes things not all that good financial wise, you know, our finances. So we have to make a little makeshift. So we leave in the macaroni to cook. These, you know, these don't take long. So as soon as them cook, we're going to come back and we're going to show you. We're going to make up a little cheap sauce something, and we're going to show you how we do. We ain't going to bake it, you know. So rice and peas ready. 2 casserole of chicken, oven in. We have the juice mixed down in our deep freeze, and we have a vegetable like that. So family, the next part, which is the last part, part 4, when we come back, where Sunday dinner will be ready. We're going to show you everything together, and we're going to serve up some, and we're going to show you how we Sunday dinner look. Yeah? Stick and stay. They be down a yard same way.